Hi, and welcome to the So Many Things YouTube channel. I'm Tim, your host. Here you get to sew with the boys, quilt with the boys, embroider with the boys, and of course, mostly have some fun, and you might learn something along the way. Stay tuned! Hi, and welcome to Sewing with the Boys. Today we're going to explore the blanket or applique stitch on our JUKI NX7 Kire machine. First thing is we want to select stitch pattern number 6 on the home screen because that gives us a basic blanket stitch. We actually have 3 adjustments on this stitch. The first one is, of course, the needle positioning. This allows us to set the back stitch or the straight stitch portion of our pattern at any position we want on the machine. The second adjustment is our stitch width control. This allows us to adjust the swing of the needle to the left or to the right if I've mirror imaged my pattern, so I can set how much jump onto my applique fabric I want. The last adjustment, of course, is my stitch length, and that allows me to separate out those swing to the side stitches so that I can make it look heavier or thinner or thicker. These 3 adjustments are available for almost all of our applique blanket stitches. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.